Ladies, gentlemen, and fellow cryptids. Society lives in interesting times nowadays. It's obvious that the only thing which could save us from untimely death and our partners from early widowhood, which is not as fashionable as one might think, is to mind one's manners and take care of each other. Taking steps to ensure each other's safety is not as hard as you might think. Only thing what you need is constant vigilance for your health and your loved one's health, your right mental state, some self-test, and some sugar to put you in the mood. I am going to guide you through the proper step how to do these precautions safely and with grace. First step, pour water. Second, make tea. Third, contemplate the inevitability of death. Take some time and move on. It is indeed important to take time for ourselves and to fully enjoy our existential dread. Next is to take a look at our tools, the various bits and bobs crammed in this small little beautiful box, and see what we are working with. We have indeed a vial, a stick, and a safety bag. Various instructions which we are not going to heed the word for. But the most important piece is this little stick made of the most vicious plastic, which is going to indicate that we indeed contaminated with the pox or not, and we are safe to go around people. To ward off the miasmas, please don't forget to disinfect your hands before you start your journey. Unpack everything, arrange in the right order, and encourage yourself with a sip of good tea. Insert the stick in your nose. The right depth is that what makes your eyes wet. A little inconvenience, but doesn't hurt. It's not supposed to hurt, it's supposed to be efficient. Put the stick in the vial. Turn it for 30 seconds or 10 rounds. Squeeze the tip of the vial 5 times. Dispose the stick safely in the right direction. And tip 5 on the indicator strip. Revel in your efficiency while you are waiting for the results to come in, which is going to take 30 seconds to 15 minutes. Last is to proudly present your negative test, as you know you are a responsible person and you take every precautions to keep yourself and your loved ones safe. Of course, clean up after yourself, put everything back in the little box and send it back to hell where it crawled out from. Congratulations, you have completed your self-test. You are safe to go around people, but I advise against it. Go forth and enjoy life in the fullest extent as you can imagine.